So you're just getting into some woodworking, automotive, or maybe hobbyist projects around the house, and you're thinking, my life would be a whole lot easier with a vise. Well, there's a ton of different options out there, but I wanted to talk about one of my favorites for some light-duty DIY projects. This is the Yost Model 904 AS. This is the 4-inch model, but we also have this exact style available in the 905, 906, 908, 910, 912, and 918, which correlate to the 5-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, 10, 12, and 18-inch versions. Just a note here, the size refers to the length of the jaws. All of these have the same features, but slightly different sizes. All right, first things first. These are made from structural cast steel. So even though we say these are lighter duty vices, they're still plenty strong for most of the projects you're gonna throw at it. Starting from the top, you have some serrated hardened steel jaws, and they're even replaceable, which is great if you find yourself doing a lot of work with these. Simply purchase a new set, and it's like you have a brand new vise. Underneath that, you have a set of permanent pipe jaws. These are great for holding your circular pieces of pipe or tubing, and allows you to get a good grip without ruining your workpiece. These vices feature a full 360-degree base, so you can adjust this vise exactly where you need it, and it's held in place with the 2 lockdowns on the side. And with any good vise, we give you a nice anvil area on the back, perfect for smacking some metal. Lastly, we protected these vices with some nice wrinkle black paint. Not only will this add some corrosion resistance, but the wrinkle black is great at hiding small imperfections that you will inevitably get when working with your vise. For more information on this vise or any other vices we offer, click the link in the description or at the end of this video.